Ryan one.
Give me a rep and play them, you know, man. Second for your 6 here.
And the last one is 6, you know.
Remember?
Oh, 6.
Pass.
Already? There, double 5 for me, Kelly.
Pass.
Again? Can't give that one there. No, give that one. Hold that.
Look how you are going to look. No. Yes.
Play. Are you play?
You see, you now pay attention to the game, man.
Hold that. Atio. Double cheer.
Pass.
Again.
Yeah.
4.
Pass.
Key. Wax. Key. 6 love you again. 6 love.
Pass 6 love.
Anything I yan. Yes, somebody are not there.
Oh, that.
Good afternoon.
Yes, somebody's like a Christian to this. Look at who.
So,
If a Jehovah's Witness, not let them in.
you are foreigner?
Mister, if a Jehovah's Witness, not let them in. Look at who.
Jehovah's Witness, are you?
No, I'm not.
Christian, no Christian line.
I'm not a Christian, sir.
Come boy.
Are you that at this? Lock back the gate, boy. Fresh game.
Good evening.
Evening.
Yes. Let me come around this side. I'm with the Ministry of Health. My name is Lily Portia, and we're going around today trying to get everyone in the community vaccinated.
So, why can't you come in this yard?
No, I've been to every other house.
Me tell you look at who before you open the gate.
Me ask him if a Christian or and
Play.
Okay, I just have a few questions for you.
Ask them on me. Yes, I am. No, me hand.
Okay. Are you over the age of 65?
Me a yet here there wall.
Okay, thank you.
Come like you all look for me. Yet here.
I'll come and come to
I'm
the
sorry, sir. You're
Yeah.
kind of, not so easy to look at.
So, where you come from, Mama Tafak?
The Ministry of Health.
Okay. Talk me, yeah.
Do you have any underlying health conditions
See me
or
pass,
issues?
man.
Me now no issue, ma'am.
Okay. Are you currently taking any medication?
You come here, see me and my friend and play domino. Me look sick to you.
Okay. Have you been in contact with anyone who's traveled recently?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay.
Corona come out.
You no corona people then.
Put up your mask. Put it up!
You put up a mask that you and the eventually you have your mask down. Damn right, my boy. Damn right. Touch it here.
So where is your mask and where are you two?
No, my yard, you come.
In our yard.
I thought you were his friend.
Yes. Play domino not have argue with the people then.
So has anyone in your household ever been infected with the coronavirus?
Nobody knows I that never catch it yet.
Okay, do you have a fever?
You see me look like me sick?
No dry cough, I take it. Okay. Do you feel tired?
I never tired yet.
Okay.
One time I work or cut yard and then same thing, they will feel tired.
Okay.
Fast.
Any aches or pains?
And I feel nothing.
Pass again.
Any sore throat or conjunctivitis?
Why you not get to the point and tell me where you come about? Can you have
Sir,
no
I'm here. We're trying to get persons in the community vaccinated. So these questions are standard. I have to ask you these questions.
Alright.
Okay. Any headache?
Now I feel like headache, yeah.
Okay. Do you have any rash on your skin?
Inspector.
We can tie you.
Sir, let me just let you know this. These questions are mandatory. They have to be asked.
Mandy what?
Mandatory.
Ask the question.
Mandatory.
You
Anyways.
game black.
No, sir.
Me I listen to you.
Okay. Any discoloration on your toes or fingers?
I'm going to grease it at them because we do mechanic work.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any issues breathing?
I would answer you. Man can breathe.
No, sir.
If you want, if man can breathe, and I got a man, you go see who can breathe.
Okay, let me just be specific. I'm seeing where I have to break things down for you.
One that.
I'm seeing we have to break things up down for you.
Come run as a contact to me. Because I don't understand one thing or the other. I don't know what now.
Okay, so I think we should be at least 6 feet apart. Right
That's
now.
what I'm talking about.
So I'm going to go ahead and remove my mask.
Yeah.
Because you might be having issues hearing me.
You have to go back with clean. Come
I
on.
can't know in the man. I can't know in the.
Okay, so I was asking, do you have issues breathing? Meaning, inhaling and exhaling.
Me no idiot, you know, miss. You know how long me the America? Me understand everything.
Okay.
Yes.
Any shortness of breath?
No, miss. Because me not do running.
Okay, and you mentioned that you do mechanic work, so your motor skills are intact? And just to be specific, I'm not talking about bikes here. When I said motor skills, I'm referring to the movement of your arms, your legs.
Listen. Not sure you see like a hump in my back here, so. And when me a boy, I flick and drop on it and it grow one big bump in there. So don't worry
I'm so
about
sorry
that.
to hear that. So your motor skills are intact then, okay. Do you suffer from any mental health issues?
I can't live a foreign so long I come to Jamaica and suffer. Me have money in my bank.
Okay. And what political party do you support?
Me never vote yet, miss. Me never vote.
80-something years on this earth and you've never voted?
No one me
That's
a vote for.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, would you be willing to take the vaccine?
Anyway you take it, if me don't take it today or me don't take it tomorrow, we still have to take the vaccine. So for that you come here ask me, nobody waste of time. You have the vaccine there now? Clot it on my hand.
No, I don't have the vaccine, sir. We're
So when you
just
come
trying
in
to
and me
figure
here
out.
then have the vaccine.
We're trying to take a poll to see how many persons would be interested in taking the vaccine.
Well, you go find the vaccine, give it today now, because anywhere you go, me will come with you.
You can come with us, definitely. I can take you to one of our health centers right now where we have a vaccinating station set up.
Alright, me ready like Freddy.
Yes, and just so you know as well, young man, would you be interested in taking the
No
vaccine?
man, if me going to take the vaccine, just give it to me and me not one.
I'm sorry, we're not able to do that. That's overdosing. If you are having thoughts about not taking the vaccine, we just want you to know you look a little bit hungry. So we're offering KFC to people who take the vaccine.
KFC, that in a boy.
Yeah.
If me I take the vaccine for free and you give KFC, think about it. You want me to KFC feel me I come down and say
No. I wear sim there.
The
Yeah,
breast
we'll
in
have
like,
we'll have the breast.
Let me talk my.
Okay, give me an order.
More 20, 21.
21 pieces coming.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, sir. Let me stop you right there. We're not trying to feed your entire village.
So you
It's
can
only a
run. So it's
2
something
piece
where
you
you
can
give me
get.
now going on me for every year, every time.
No, it's
So-
only going to be in your system for a 6
Hold on, I can't
months.
answer one
You get it.
question.
Yes, sir.
Me now bother take the vaccine
Why?
because me now get the KFC.
No, you can get the KFC if you want it as well.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Wally Road.
Alright. Yeah. So,
You can't see him come.
It can man, yeah?
Yeah.
no,
Now
you
go and
won't-
play them in
you
now.
won't be able to get it until you actually
Yes,
take
yeah.
the vaccine.
You know you're an idiot. KFC for vaccine. What hard in that?
21 and 2 are big juice then the Lesotho.
Yes.
Yes, 2.
Hey, you don't think Mr. Camel knife?
Voilà.
KFC for
Oh,
vaccine.
yeah. And 4 I cup them, he long this
Yes,
one.
he mug them.
Yeah.
KFC?
KFC.
Vaccine.
Okay.
Right.
Don't take the vaccine without the KFC.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I've heard there's an elderly old man living up this side. Mr. Runkus, could you show me where he lives?
Yours, they're right there, sir.
Alright, thank you very much. Good afternoon, Mr. Runkus. Mr. Runkus, good afternoon.
Who is that?
Hello, good afternoon.
Who is that?
I'm from the Ministry of
I'm
Health.
coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay.
Just a live in the yard. What can I help you?
Yes, sir. So I'm from the Ministry of Health. We're going around today. We go ahead and take a few steps back and remove our mask so you can hear me clearly. So we're from the Ministry of Health, right?
Oh, yeah,
So-
take a census.
No, dear. We're not doing the census
Okay,
this
okay.
time around. You know, we're currently in the middle of a pandemic.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
coronavirus,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So we're actually going around. We're trying to get everyone vaccinated, but we're starting.
That you left from where you left from come out?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to vaccinate people?
No, I will not. I personally will not be.
Okay,
doing
okay, okay. Thank you.
that. So I'm just here to, ask questions.
Yes.
So are you over the age of 65, sir?
Where you really come out?
We're trying to get persons vaccinated. So I'm just trying to get your information.
Me a 51 now.
You're 51. Okay, no
Yes.
problem. Okay, do you have any underlying health issues?
Underline.
Right.
Underline. What you mean like that?
Do you have any sicknesses like diabetes, hypertension?
No man. A return resident do come from foreign have that. Me don't have that. People who come from foreign Jamaica, people not carry that.
Okay, so have you been to any health centers recently to, check your blood sugar or anything like that?
I'm fit, physically fit. Me, when you see yourself fit, I be a young girl, me having a thing. You understand?
Okay,
Fit,
sir.
yes.
Thank you.
So when you run up and down at that time.
Okay, sir. And you can just be straightforward with the answers. You don't need to give me too much details.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Are you currently taking any medication?
Me tell me say me not sick. Me tell you say me healthy. I sound like I feel like me have a lick round and bounce round. I want to you man. Right now I want me to go check in and say me crystal crisp. Me just do what you do, me go and what me do.
Okay, have you been in contact with anyone who traveled within the last 14 days?
Me not have nobody after you. Nobody at all. I am a Jamaican now.
Okay, thank you. Has anyone in your household been infected with the coronavirus? Has anyone ever been infected with the coronavirus within your household?
Household? What do you mean it's your household?
Alright.
I tell you, I come tell you to me household.
No,
Me
sir.
have money can't make house.
No, sir, that's not what I meant.
But to at least land this thing, I make no house. You come and come tell me about my household. Now watch
No,
this.
sir, no, that's not what I meant.
What you
Just
mean?
to be clear,
Yeah.
your household would be the person's living with you. So are you living with anyone else?
Me live with me and myself live with me. So me and myself live together.
Okay.
No one again want two young girls to come and come check me and me clap them and then go on back.
Okay, sir, thank you.
So, right, me not cut you. So while you there talk, I could go in the house, go finish talk now.
No, I prefer to stay right where I am. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you have a fever or a dry cough?
Me look like me have nothing. That's why me tell you, say, come me go in the house, go show you, say me not have
thank you.
nothing.
No, thank you.
A little young fella like you, that do me well like there, you know.
Okay, let's see how quickly we can get through this, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Alright, so, no aches, no pains.
No ache, no pain,
No sore throat, no conjunctivitis.
nothing at all.
No headache?
No headache. I tell Jackie me I deal with it.
Okay. Do you have any rash on your skin?
I say, me tell you, say, go in and that's the part, make clothes naked, make you see.
No, please, no, Mr. Runkles, please, no. I'm good right here. Right here where people can see me, right?
No man, come back here, because everybody will know people business here.
Okay.
Say you have a man?
I am married, sir.
Okay.
Okay, great. Any discoloration on your fingers or toes?
You may have to tell you, now then come go in the house and you have to
No.
question.
Alright. I'm just gonna hurry up and get through this, okay? Do you have any issues breathing at the moment?
And you don't have issue breathing if you come in my house. I do have nothing what you talk about. What me have, me want to give you a come.
Alright. You're obviously good with your motor skills.
I tap this up. Nobody tell nobody that some good with my motor skill. You never test my
No.
motor with my motor skill good. Nobody with that.
I said motor skills, meaning movement, bodily movement.
Yes, man. Yes. Sometimes too, when the young people talk different, you know, me not understand.
Yes, that's fine.
So when you're done going,
When I'm done, you can go in and I'll go to the next house. Do you suffer from any mental issues?
me look like me I suffer to you. Suffer
Do you
is man
really
look so
want-
big and strong and thick and good looking.
I respectfully decline to answer that question.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You had a question?
Me? No, you come here and just tell me there if you answer them.
Okay,
Yeah, look, damn good, you know.
thank you, sir. That's a part of the vaccination process. You know, it keeps you looking healthy and all of that stuff. Anyways, what political party do you support?
So you come to find out who we vote for. I never vote for Naiban.
Okay, no problem.
If you want to vote and then come take me call them.
Okay. So would you be interested in getting vaccinated, Mr. Runcles?
And that if you ask me, say, if you have me, that interested to get you.
No, sir. I cannot be. You cannot get me. Sir, no.
So what you really come about?
The vaccination process. We're trying to get everyone vaccinated, so that's why I'm
So
here.
you come to get everybody vaccinated. Me tell you something, if you walk to the yard, go and up some man. Same thing that I like, how we go inside.
No, I don't want to go inside. That's fine. Final question. You seem undecided on whether or not you would take the vaccine, right? So if it were that we were supposed to, you know, give you some KFC, would you be willing to take the vaccine?
Oh, so you have to be KFC.
Yes.
To me take vaccine. Me love meat, you know, but what kind of meat you have KFC there?
No, sir.
Right away you take for your KFC.
No, sir.
Cook wild jerk or coffee sauce.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Mr. Wrinkles, so we'll be in touch with you. Someone else will be here to evaluate your...
And if you come back, if you have your vaccine come, you're ready to take it. Come on, come. You have the vaccine there?
No, sir. We'll be back another day. I'll have one of my co-workers come back.
Because if you carry the vaccine coming down, I surely take it. And how you do it? You have to take off the clothes naked. That means you have to do it
You
inside.
just need to leave your arm. You see what I'm wearing? You just need to have something where the sleeve can be rolled up.
So I ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
So when you go around and walk around and beg people to take vaccine, if I did sitting good, you know I have to beg people to take it.
It is something good.
What good if you give me, you know, want to give me, you come here content about blasted vaccine. Eh? Give me your
I'm
number.
sorry, I can't-
Give me your number.
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm unable to give you my number at
Why?
this time. I don't have a phone.
So you come and ask me information and I work with government and on no phone. Eh? And 20 boy, you're a big married woman. A little man like me, you want to crack your little ball. Come let it go in.
Okay, sir, have a good day. Okay, you can go inside. I'm going to go this way to the next house.
Come on.
No, sir.
Come let it go in.
Bye.
If you ever come in my house, you see, I don't mean that to like ride crank like a big bike, me thing there. Me say, I would have blow up your little valve them. Boy, you come here and ask me about take vaccine and take this and take that. A vaccine, this good enough for you ask me that. If me want to take vaccine, we don't know it. Yeah, come out and yeah. Hey, if you ever make a mistake, I'm coming at this, you see. When I done here, I should jump off. Lord, as I come in there, make a pull on that thing here and touch the road, yeah. I'll come and tell me about vaccine. Me just a picture, me have a lot. Every time I get the same complaint from people about that little boy. You know what I say? Him papa if you can't take him. Cause that little boy nah here. You know what I say? It got dead enough. Cause he nah listen. Bigger Dada! Dada!
Yeah?
I gotta ask you one more time. From last night, I asked you, stand up right outside in front of me. I'm gonna ask you, because from last night, I asked you, now I want it. Have you went to the river? Who are you go to the river?
Me and Papa P, Bobby and Mojo.
And don't me tell you say you have to go to the river. Eh? And you still go back on me back and go to the river. You know you with John? Don't test me faith.
No,
Mr. Fit, don't test the faith because I'm in a good mood right now. You understand? And you know the cove and everything I run out there. Eh? Eh? And you still take up yourself and go mix up yourself. Eh? With people. Go on up the side in the yard. Before we take you walking, you can bust your head. Me tell you already, don't go back a river. Who is that? Ah, Dada, come here. Go look how they get. Come in, me not into it. Run the boy before I pop your line. No, me not into it. No, there's something there. But this is the guy ramp on him, turn over the ass and he ring up his foot. Then when they sit down on it, this a kick and that's how we just mad for picture down. Ah, that murk. You know me, I got to take you and put it in my room?
Grandma,
Yes.
a boxing people.
Who?
Boxing people.
Tell them something now come out if they want me, them come to me. About vaccine people. Tell them. I come here, I go about my business right now.
You see? I want her to come to us.
I wonder what they want now. Come. Me not depend what them depend, you know.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
My name is Lilith Portia, and I'm with the Ministry of Health.
And what minister help one from me?
Okay, so we're going around today. We're trying to get our senior citizens vaccinated.
Vaccinated, put on your mask.
Okay.
You know, so you come from where the same thing that kill the people, man. You come here to come tell me about see your people.
Okay, ma'am. So I'm really just here to see if you'd be interested. I just have a few questions.
Look here, miss. Turn up right this way. Right this way. What you say now? Not come too close. Right. What you say? Where you say you come from?
We're from the Ministry of Health.
Hold on your mask, come in. Now you're good.
We're from the Ministry of Health.
Minister of Health.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is it Minister of Health want from me now?
We're trying to get our senior citizens vaccinated.
You're trying to get senior citizen
Right.
vaccinated.
Right. That's the
Okay.
priority over the younger generation at this point.
Okay.
Right. So I just have a few questions for you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Dora.
Okay, Miss Dora. All right, Miss Dora. And you're above the age of 65, correct?
You half me, you tell me you're half to me age.
Okay, could you confirm if you're over the age of 65?
Then that's if you say you come from me. You over 65 like you're my mama. You still look at me now, the boy go on in, I will tell him to, you mean no man?
Okay, Miss Dora. Do you have any underlying health issues?
So me ask you one question, Portia. You left all the way from Ministry of Agricultural. Come ask me if me have underlying issue? Eh?
Health issues.
Health issue.
Okay, so just to give you a bit of background, it's important for us to know if you have any underlying issues, health issues, if you're going to be getting the vaccine.
Me want to ask you one simple question. What day when me there and me knee hot me and cross me back and me pay no much money in hospital, I'm never interested to come find out what do me I give me money if you go a doctor. But now you come as me get better, I come ask me who have underline from who have underneath all and thing there. Eh?
Okay, ma'am. We would not have been notified of that health issue you mentioned earlier. So is it that you have like arthritis or something like that?
Me? Look here, anything me have up to me, what you want to find out for? What is listen me, you know, get to the point and tell me where you come out and you grown and you ask me one bag of question long so. You know what I have so where I go? Me no,
Okay, ma'am. Alright, so the quicker I can get through these questions with you, then I'll be able to have you go on your way. So are you currently taking any medication?
Me look like me take medication to you. Yes, me used to take medication but it done.
Okay.
One more question?
Yes. Have you been in contact with anyone who's traveled within the last 14 days?
You see this? You see, a dancing thing I make people swear now. No. Me a whole woman. How me fi contact with people? Eh? Me left out of the yard, me gone away, and me and my little grandson in here.
Okay. So has your grandson been in contact with anyone who's traveled recently?
Me say, as you come make a complaint to you. The little boy no left river. I hit me just to talk to him about a while ago. He go down there in contact with the whole I pit down in the water, swim, and all that thing they may say nearly drown.
Oh my, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yes.
So there's a possibility he may have been in contact with somebody who has been in contact with
Then if I
somebody.
pit and them a ramp, then I must ramp together.
Right.
You see him a ramp by himself?
So has anyone in your household ever been infected by the virus, the coronavirus?
Jesus Christ have mercy upon that girl here. Mr. Me and me grand pitney alone live. Hey, you know what? This maga girl come right through the gate like he want to contest me fate. Eh? If Mr. Me and me pitney alone live. When you come here, come. Hey, listen me now, Portia. You see how we guys are about nest?
Alright, just a few more questions now. Do you have a fever or dry cough?
No.
Okay. Do you feel tired?
Hey, yeah, me now. You give me work for me tired. You send me now if me tired.
Any aches or pains?
What did you say?
Do you have any aches or pain?
Look at me, whole woman, and me I do the herpes.
Oh my gosh, no ma'am.
What you
I
say?
said, do you have any aches or pains?
Me no have no ache, no belly ache, or no back pain. Then get rid already. So,
Okay. Any sore throat or conjunctivitis?
Jesus, Peter, all them questions you ask me, no know them. Anything what you ask me, me no know it. Me no have it.
Okay, do you have any headaches? Do you have a headache or anything like that?
Yes,
You do?
yes, me have a headache. From you coming here, you is the biggest headache. You hurt me head from me coming here. From you coming here.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any visible rashes on your skin? Any discoloration on your fingers or toes?
You know, say that maga girl a come in full of fungus and want to come put it on me. What kind of question then they ask me? What kind of question then they ask me? Look for me. Hey, I can drop my clothes and show you so my body clean. My body clean.
Miss, please don't. I'm sorry. These are just questions that the government requires us to ask. So please.
So
don't-
why I know the government has said you can ask me question? When me the hungry and I go to my sufferation and me one bag of thing. Me nice the government. But now has why thing name on that? The COVID-19. Eh? Come in now, now come on my yard and I can't tell me about you go vaccinate me and all them thing there. And the government never know. Eh?
Okay, ma'am. I'm so sorry to hear that you have been going through, those issues. But I am from the Ministry of Health, so I would not have been one of those persons if it was the case of a natural disaster and you were in need of food. But I can definitely pass on that information to the necessary authorities.
Whether you carry information yes or no answer now go come back. Listen, you can't tell me about politicians. You all are the same thing.
Okay, ma'am. Which political party do you support? If you
What
don't
you
mind me
say?
asking, what political party do you support?
So let me ask you something now. You tell to me gate. If you come in here so, if you come ask me vote for, me vote for the two party. Cause the same sad song them a sing.
Okay, and do you have any issues breathing at the moment?
All woman like me can breathe.
No, ma'am. Breathing as in inhaling and exhaling.
So that me in a exhale and inhale me wouldn't dead. Eh? Me dead. See that me dead. Come on, see dead somebody you talk to.
No, ma'am.
You blind?
No, ma'am. I was referring to like shortness of breath. Do you have any shortness of breath?
Are you short of this thing there? You short of everything. You short of all man. You come in and ask me what me short of. Eh? You short of food, you short of man, you short of hair, all your shoes. Listen to me now, man. Don't Miss, that you come to me get here ask me, young girl.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell them say, change your job when you go down. You hear?
Oh, trust me, I will be talking to them.
So you never see nobody else when you come to question them.
Yeah, I did make a few stops along the way.
So nobody never tell you so you must top over this yard.
Ma'am, unfortunately, I have to pull all the stops. It's a requirement that we go to.
You is the next one now going block from me gate. Me done block the G of your witness people them already, and you is the next one now going block. Remember, so me tell you say, as long as life lasts, and you see that gate, they don't even look over there.
Okay. So I can see your motor skills are definitely intact.
Me motor skill.
And your ability to tell people off nonetheless. Do you suffer from any mental illnesses?
I will tell you what you suffer from. You see me I suffer from nothing. Eh?
Well, you do have a temper, so I'm just wondering, do you
Yes,
have...
set me temper and carry go along. can't go and go tell them say me full of temper. When you go down there tell the government say me full of temper. Come up here and tell me about what you call this thing?
I'm definitely gonna have them put you down for the Johnson.
Johnson for your mama?
Ma'am, based on how you're behaving, we have no choice but to give you the Johnson because we're pretty sure you would not show up for the second dose of the Pfizer or the AstraZeneca vaccine. So we have to put you down for the Johnson.
If you think you're bad and the 2 foot where you turn up pan, a master God gave them, put back your foot through you with no injection needle, but you're going to give me vice or
don't worry, ma'am. We'll have someone come and get you when it's time.
Come and get your bumper wall. Get who? Hey, better you come out of me yard, you know. Eh?
Okay, let's see if we can work out something. So
work out what?
We have been offering persons free KFC if they take the vaccine. How does that sound?
Free KFC? You're going to give me free KFC if I take the vaccine. Hey! You're so nice!
Definitely. You know, we've seen where we did a poll and many persons have confirmed that they would be more, you know, open to taking the vaccine if they're compensated.
I can ask you one question. What's about the vaccine there? That you know all the pay people for take it. If I did something well good for your health and good for your energy, you know how to pay people for take it.
Okay, ma'am, I can speak for myself. I've taken the vaccine.
And that's why you suck out so. That's why you suck out so. Don't look before you take the vaccine and be gone fat.
I respectfully decline to answer that question, ma'am. But what I'd like to know is when would be a good time to come back and have someone fetch you for that vaccine?
You know, me I go and like me not hear the question there. Me I go and like me not hear the answer.
So you did mention earlier you're always home, you don't leave here. So I can have them come same time next week? It's what?
You know what me I go do? Me I go in a house, you see? And check me land paper if your name the penny. Because once your name the penny land paper that you can tell people say come in anytime, come give me one, give me. Eh?
Okay, ma'am, let me explain something to you. You see, when you are uncooperative, the government has a policy where we can come into your home and remove you once you're deemed to not have the mental capacity to make the decisions. So I'm deeming you incapable of making any decisions.
You see this long maga hungry, this long maga hungry belly girl come here and tell me what he have the capacity. If he come in here and give me what he want give me. Tell the government say that I feel your government, you know. Come in, no sure and no government saying here. And you take up this on your head because you want to come here and scam people. You don't look like you right somebody, they will come from a good place them. Eh? You don't even drive a vehicle. You walk till you're slim and you come here and tell me about you give me KFC people.
I did drive a vehicle here today.
It better you come out of my yard, you know.
I get paid quite well.
Me say it better you come
Maybe
out of
not well enough
yard.
though. But I am putting you down as a mental risk to yourself.
Come here, child. Let me tell you something. And not every dog bark if you answer to them. And not everybody can knock on people's fence. Sometimes some people can knock, tell them say grandma not there. The last time the Jehovah Witness people them come here, what you tell them say, me not there. So when you know see people just up in a good clothes like them sitting here and they sitting there, tell them say, Dora say, me not there. So pretend say, me not there.
Where are your values, mom? You're teaching the young man to tell lies.
Teach you young man to tell. Then you pick you not to teach them to tell lie. Then lie long time.
Young man, just a few quick questions.
No asking no question, go in.
It seems your grandmother, does she hear voices at times?
Go
She
in.
seems mental.
Look, you not me tell you what mental. Are you man them a judge or you all about and I use you, make you mental so you come in and ask me too much mental question. I will check it. Hey.
Okay, so I think you're unfit.
You want to look the talk? Dada, look under the bed. Jump the box and look, you see me 38 can't come make a bust that girl your wall. No run, you know should I turn up? Damn out hard and bright. If me want to take a vaccine, me no shot you go take it. Eh? That's why I know say, hold on, no chicky fry. Come me go and take me joke already and me alright. You come now, I come tell you about KFC. Eh? You see someone who know? I go
You shouldn't run.